So what tools do you use that you wouldn't be able to do your business without, outside of the CRMs that you talked about earlier?
Google Drive, man. Google Drive is huge. I mean, one of the things that we use a ton is Google Sheets,
Hmm.
and it just allows a lot of people to be a part of the same document. It's very close to as capable as Excel is. I don't know
Hmm.
how how much you use it or
Hmm.
not, but I mean, Excel, obviously it's more advanced. It's got a lot of functionalities that Google
Hmm.
Sheets doesn't have. But as far as communication between um, all of the other team members and sharing documents and letting them
Hmm.
see formulas move live before us and our payout trackers, and and a lot has to do with Google Drive and Google Sheets, man. I think if they went down tomorrow, we'd
Oh
kind of
man,
be screwed.
I totally with you, man. I've interviewed, like, probably about 2 dozen people on this show, and literally about half of them Google Sheets, including myself, right? Google Drive, Google Sheets, Google Docs, and the fact that you're allowed to share it to multiple people, and then you can actually control the ownership, whether it's just an editor or an admin, and you could be anywhere in the world and have access to all your documents. It's a game changer.
Right.
It's a
Oh, it's
game changer.
amazing, man. And then, the more we're growing inside of this company, I used to
Mm,
not think about this before in my old company, but the more we grow, the more I start to get nervous about these systems that we use, the
mhm,
Podios and the skip tracing companies that we
mm,
rely on, and the Google Drive, right? Like if any one of those companies go down, it can truly hurt us. So now it starts to put me in the realm of creating my all-encompassing own primary program,
mhm,
where we don't have to rely on these other companies, because whether they get attacked, cyber attacked, or even just want to go out of business one day or
mhm.
whatever, or go bankrupt, I mean, we'd lose a major functionality of our company. So we're starting to think about that as well.